Hi, so today I've got something very different from what I usually do. It's got two displays or audiometers or speedometers for for a bike. So the problem is one cluster is not working, the other one, the LCD is not working. So he asked me to take the LCD which is working and to put it on a dash which is working. So we're just gonna do a quick video just to swap around the two, and then just for interest sake, just to see how this thing looks inside. So the only thing I can hope for is that maybe the LCD is not soldered to this board, because it's gonna be a very interesting to unsolder this. Okay, so that's out. Seems like it's got a double-sided tape. So like I said, the only way to take this display out is to unsolder it, because I've got two of these. From what he told me, this dashboard is working, and on this one the display is working but the dash is not working. And from what I'm seeing here, I'm gonna have to unsolder this part for me to get this LCD out. Okay, so let's see if I can get my solder station, and let's see if we can take this out. So what I'm gonna do, this LCD is the working LCD. Because I'll be removing this for the first time, I will put this aside and open the one with the working dash, and I can remove that LCD because I know that LCD is already faulty, so I can see how easily I can manipulate to remove it after I remove the solder. Because from what I'm seeing, I'm gonna have to find a way to insert something here and pull it up, but I don't want to do that with a working LCD. I'd rather per se practice with the faulty one. But from what I can see, I need to, this comes out with the LCD. This part here comes up with the LCD, but I'd rather do with the one that I know it's faulty, as I know this LCD is working. So let me open the other unit, and then I won't even show the video of me opening it. I'll just show when I start removing the solder from the LCD, as I have already shown you how to open this dash. So this is the one that I'm going to open. As you can see, he wrote the dash. So this dash is working, but the LCD is not working. Okay, so I've opened the second unit, which I know that the dash is for the LCD is faulty. So this is out. So let's see if we can clean up this board. Okay, so we'll remove this. Let's see if we can take this out. But as I've seen, the trick is on making sure that the solder is fully out, or else you have a problem. Let's see if we can turn this around. So this needs to come out without being forced. So if the little solder holding these pins, that's when you will damage this LCD. So these pins, they need to be finally loose for me to able to pull this LCD out safely. So I've managed to put the LCD in. So now we're just gonna solder it. I'm happy with how it came out. So now I'm just going to put it together and then I will ship it out. So thank you so much for tuning in. I know this is something different that we usually do, but I just thought let me document this while I'm doing it. So please do like and subscribe. And if you have any question, you can drop them on the comment below. And then I will be able to answer you and see if I can give you some answers on the question that you're gonna ask. So have a good day. Please don't forget to like and please do subscribe. Thank you.